Hi everyone, my name is Trevor Wernisch, and welcome to my course, Psychology of Interaction Design. I'm a user interface and experience designer that gets to work on all sorts of fun mediums, from mobile and web applications to gaming and vehicle interfaces. This course is going to cover many of the major topics you should know about to understand and integrate psychological principles into your applications. If you've ever used an app that felt super smooth, intuitive, and just clicked, well, to ensure that, they were leveraging many of these same principles we'll be covering. Whether you're a dedicated developer who creates their own front ends, or a seasoned designer that wants to up their game, the topics covered here should not be overlooked. Some of the major topics that we'll cover include the 5 core pillars of interaction design and how they apply to your systems, the Gestalt principles that will help you make your content and layouts feel more cohesive, putting ourselves in our users' shoes, understanding their mental models and their motivation behind interactions, in the interaction design model, the split-second decisions our brains go through during every single interaction, and how you can leverage this cycle to improve user flow. By the end of this course, you'll have a wide and solid foundation of psychological principles you can immediately begin applying to your interfaces to help improve your visitors' experience. Before beginning this course, you should have average computer knowledge and basic understanding of software development, user interfaces, and the internet. I hope you'll join me on this journey to advance your interaction design know-how with the Psychology of Interaction Design course at Pluralsight.